Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. I just want to put out something. Excuse me, I'm trying to film a video here. Right, okay, so I do have very, very sore throat. That is why I'm off school if you see when this is published or when this has come out. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a chocolate covered cookie. So what you're going to need is a bowl, a spoon, which has biscuit on, a spoon. I'm just taking a big spoon. Then some chocolates. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Swiss milk chocolate collections. I just got these little blocks. So 5 of them. Yep, I have 5. And then obviously a cookie. Now I'm going to make more of these, but I'm only going to show you how to make one today. And you're also going to need a microwave, which I actually have one behind me. Don't know if you can see it in that little corner. And you guys are also going to need one as well, unless you want to heat it up on the stove. I'm going to need the microwave for the chocolate. So your first step is to unwrap all the chocolates. You can use baking chocolate, definitely. That'd probably be the best. Hopefully this doesn't burn. But if you're not using baking chocolate, then I'm just going to break it up as well. If you're not using baking chocolate, then I would definitely use a microwave because it'll go lumpy if you use a stove. So I'm just breaking them up into little pieces, and once I've done all of them, I'll show you. Okay, everybody, so I've just got all the chocolate in here. It's not melted yet. And this is what it looks like. It's not too much, but it's only going to fill this thing. So now we're going to take it over to the microwave. Okay guys, so just take this off here, and then I'm just going to place the chocolate in, and I think I'm only going to set it for about 10 to 11 seconds, so that is in there, and now I'll press it on, and I'm just going to set it for 10 seconds, no, that's minutes, no, stop. You get rid of this. Right, I'm going to work out how to use the microwave and I'll be back. Okay, so I cannot do it, so I'm just going to press play and then it'll surely do it. Okay, so it's just cooking and cooking away. Get ready to stop it in a minute. When it starts getting hot, I think. I don't really use the microwave before, to be honest with you. So. See how it looks. Okay, so it just needs a little bit longer. I might have to give it a mix about. Let me try it off the spoon. It's like dairy milk. It's starting to go off the ledge now. The bowl is hot. Oh. Ow. Okay, so I've just realised, well, it's all melted upstairs. And I've just realised I'm going to need a plate to put it on because it's going to need to set in the fridge. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plop it in there to get the bottom side out and then put it on top. So do that, swizzle it around. Let me get a good camera angle for you guys. Right, is that playing? Yes, it's playing. Okay, so I'm just... And then I'll just take it. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but I'm sorry if you can't, because I can't see what you can see at the minute. But yeah, I'm just laying it out on top. I'm going to try and get as much chocolate on there as I can, because I don't want to waste any. Okay, so now you can obviously see that is that. here. So I'm just going to try and dish out the spoon now and put it on this plate right here. I'm going to get a knife actually. Any butter knives again. Just want a sharp one because I don't want to wreck it. Like, wow. Totally forgot to mention, I'm going to be decorating mine with some sprinkles. So, obviously that is that. And I'm going to be going for these sprinkles here. These are dark chocolate flakes. So I think I'm just going to get a few in my hand. Like that. Yeah, I'm just going to sprinkle them all over. Yeah, I really do apologise for my voice. It's just killing me at the minute. I do have tonsillitis, that's why. Yeah, it's not just come along on its own, it's just tonsillitis. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, that's why I thought I'm gonna have to do it today while I've got the chance. I've just not really been myself lately. Sorry if you can hear this dog, he's just banged himself into the door. This looks gorgeous. Okay, all done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of my cookie. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you guys smash that like button down below. And also, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, make sure you go down below and subscribe right now. And if you're feeling even more generous, just click the bell next to the subscribe button, and that bell will make sure you will be notified every time I upload a new video, so you'll never miss another one. Thank you so much for watching this video and hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.